This is a little fun fact. Business owners can profit nearly $300,000 annually. Hi everybody, my name is Adana and welcome to Secrets Unkept, where we talk about making money, saving money, and unlocking the secrets to creating the life that we want to live. And in today's video, I am talking all about Amazon and every way you can make money with Amazon without going into the stock market or working directly with them. It brings you your beloved packages with a speedy 2-day delivery. And in this kind of new era as of 2020, we have kind of gotten used to having a lot of our packages delivered to us. And as of 2020, Amazon has skyrocketed in value. When people were at home, they were still buying things even though we were going through an economic crisis due to the they're now worth over $1 trillion, keeping Jeff Bezos the world's richest man in the world, but increasing his net worth by billions. I think it's almost $80 billion. Man, that is mind-blowing. I hope one day I can understand how he feels as a billionaire. It is incredible. I know I'm addicted to Amazon. If I need anything, I don't go to the stores anymore except for grocery shopping, but everything else I get on Amazon. Because of people like me, and I'm pretty sure a lot of you guys also use Amazon, we are making this company richer and Jeff Bezos even richer. I know this year it's been between him and Elon Musk as the world's richest person in the world. Listen, their money is beyond me right now. Hopefully one day I can rub shoulders with them, but as of right now, it's incomprehensible how much wealth they have accumulated, especially Jeff Bezos. I'm wondering, how do I get in on this action? And you know what? He actually invites us to make money with him. My husband has really gotten me to the point where I'm constantly thinking of new business ideas and entrepreneurship and what it truly means to be financially free. And he owns his own businesses. He's really gotten me into that mindset. And one of the things that when I've been researching like what kind of businesses to start up, Amazon was one of the first things that I've found. Honestly, Amazon has many ways of helping you as a regular citizen become a lot wealthier. And in today's video, I'm going to share with you exactly that. All of the ways that Amazon is contributing back to you to kind of share in the wealth a little bit. All of the ways that they help make people more money. Stay tuned until the end of the video to know what I believe is the best way to really kickstart your financially free life. One of the first things is Twitch. Twitch is a gaming streaming service. They actually have people make money by playing video games. You can stream and gain an audience that wants to watch you play video games, and you can make money by those subscribers donating to you. That's pretty incredible. I mean, gone are the days that you literally can't do anything without finding a way to make money off of it. This is a new era, and we have to say hello. For a lot of people who play games, it's not just a game. They're truly immersed in this lifestyle of gaming. For a lot of those who it is their life's passion, they can now find a way to make money just by people watching them. I remember when I was a kid, I used to love watching my brother play Zelda. Me and my sisters would sit there and just watch him play Zelda, and we'll be his like tactical team. And he would then do what we tell him to. And as a unit, we always defeated the bosses, and that was really one of the times that we looked forward to the most. We only really played it during the holiday times, but it was so much fun. So I kind of understand the mentality behind this, wanting to watch someone play a game and probably encourage them or talk to them during it. So I get the appeal of this. Did you know that you can get published with Amazon? You can do what is called Kindle Direct Publishing, where you can publish either ebooks or physical books and get 70% of the royalties with publishing your own books. And it's all free. You can publish for free and it will be available on the Kindle store within 24 to 48 hours worldwide. You're going to take advantage of Amazon's large audience. You can set the price to be whatever you feel is appropriate for your publishing. Since they launched Kindle Direct Publishing in 2007, they've had hundreds of thousands of authors from around the world publish millions of books. If you're not a writer, maybe you're into filming, right? If you're an independent filmmaker, did you know that you can publish your films with Prime Video Direct? You can film a documentary or a series, whatever, and you can actually publish it with Prime Video Direct. If you're someone who likes creating films, videos, whatever, you can create an account and directly publish your films, and you keep most of the royalties. You get access to their over 300 million users. All right, let's go on to our next series. Did you know that you can actually publish your apps on Amazon? They have their own cloud, and you can build in the cloud. You can monetize your apps pretty easily. You know that Amazon has Kindle, they have the Fire TV, and they have Alexa. They have so many places that you can develop apps for. You can reach millions of new audiences. If you have an app on Android App Store, then you can convert that pretty easily to use the Amazon platform. You can reach over 200 countries with this app store. Have you guys heard of AWS Marketplace? It is the Amazon Web Services Marketplace. This is a place where a lot of people will host software. A lot of companies actually work with AWS to host their software. If you're in tech, basically, you can sell your software on AWS to businesses that need it, and it will allow you to have access to many businesses that might find your software very useful. It has easy software delivery, simplified billing and payments, market and new users, multiple pricing options, growth with consulting partners, and automated integration with APIs. I have an Alexa. I have an Alexa Spot. It's the little Alexa that has a little screen on it, kind of like Alexa Show, but it's much, much smaller. And I love it when I can have it do many things. Alexa has been very useful in our family. So, did you know that Alexa can do like different things if you program her to? You can always add skills to help her continue learning. There are people who make those skills. And if you want to make a skill for Alexa, you can sell that with Alexa skills. When someone uses that, you can get paid for finding a useful thing to have Alexa do and sharing that with the world. Now, how about that? So you can actually create your own business with Amazon. One of the ways that you can create a business with Amazon is by delivering Amazon packages with Amazon Flex. Amazon Flex is basically a package delivery service through Amazon. So Amazon, they are promising 2-day delivery, sometimes even 1 day to 1 hour delivery. And in order for them to do that, they need help from regular people. And they basically took the concept of Lyft, Uber, and things like Shipt and was like, okay, we can do this with ordinary people and pay them. They get paid anywhere between $18 to $25 an hour, and it doesn't include tips. It's a pretty easy system. You need to work in the area that they do this in. You need to just reserve a block, deliver your packages, and then get paid. If you're interested in doing this, all you really need to know is that you need to live in an area where Flex operates. You need to be 21 or older, also have a valid driver's license because you will be driving, and have a mid-size to larger vehicle. So as long as you have a 4-door car, sedan, and larger, you're fine. Then have an iPhone or Android smartphone. A lot of people already meet these requirements. It will give you that opportunity to make extra money on your own time. Like, you've reserved these blocks, so you do it during times where you are available. And unlike Lyft and Uber, you don't have to interact with anybody. You still get to drive. You get to have a little bit of exercise, and you get to get closer to financial freedom. You can make this possibly a full-time job. It seems like it, if you can make $18 to $25 an hour. Amazon Flex is not the only way you can deliver with Amazon. You can actually scale this and make a huge business out of it. If you want to do this where you have a fleet of trucks or cars going out and delivering, you can do just that. You would be an Amazon delivery service partner, which means you have a fleet of trucks that will go out and deliver packages at scale. scale. You can start this business with as little as $10,000, but if you want to start something like that, you can actually start off with the Flex program and work your way up to the Amazon Delivery Service Partner program, where you can do it at scale, meaning you're going to be the leader of your own fleet of cars. I know since things got dicey since the pandemic, their delivery services have gotten longer, so they are in need of drivers. They're in need of people starting these types of businesses so they can meet that valuable 2-day delivery that they're really known for. So if you have $10,000, you might want to look into this. This might be valuable. I think this is a great opportunity for those who really want to scale a business. This is a little fun fact. Business owners can profit nearly $300,000 annually, leading a fleet of 40 vehicles. I'm talking profit, not what you're paying those drivers, not the money you have to put into those vehicles. I'm talking about this is take home. All right, now we're getting into some of the really good stuff. You can make money suggesting items from Amazon. It's the Amazon affiliate program, and anybody can join this. You don't need to be an influencer. You don't need to really do anything. You need to know at least 3 people. You can start this, and if you suggest things for people, you can send them a link, and after confirming 3 valid purchases, you start to get a commission on what you recommend for people. You don't even need a platform to do this, so you don't need a huge following. As long as you suggest things on Amazon anyway, why not get onto the affiliate program where you can get a commission for suggesting items that you already love and will suggest anyway. This is a great way of just making it like a little bit of money on things that you're already doing. If you do have a bit of a following and you're suggesting things that from Amazon, you might be interested in the Amazon influencer program. Now, the way that this is different than the affiliate program, you get a bit more commission, but also you get to curate your own shop. So if you have something that people oftentimes want to know about, you can create a shop of all the things that you use and just keep it in a description box or your bio for Instagram or just on your Facebook page, and people will oftentimes just go there because they trust you. That's the whole thing about being an influencer. They go to you for something, they're trusting that this is something that might work for them. So this is a great way for someone who has a following to generate an additional income. You can sell on Amazon, and I think this is probably where the real bread and butter comes from for a lot of people who have gotten onto the Amazon wave. If you're already an established business, a lot of businesses have actually gone out of business because they had a difficult time going from in-store to online, and that's where Amazon really picked up. Because less and less people are going in stores for things that they're purchasing and more of sales are going online, then a lot of stores, kind of like Sears, have gone out of business because they couldn't make that transition. Thing is that Amazon is actually helping a lot of businesses by giving them their platform to transfer a lot of their products and sell it on their platform. I'm pretty sure there's going to be a fee to host it on their platform. I feel like you still make a lot of profit just by having that availability and having that convenience of being on a platform like Amazon, because people are still seeing you, and if they want to find something or shop something, it will become available in that promised 2-day shipping. You can do merchandise by Amazon. So merch by Amazon, basically a lot of influencers have merchandise. If you're an art enthusiast and you have artwork, you can put that artwork on clothing and people will buy it. You can make the design and Amazon will fulfill orders because they already have the artwork, and they'll put that artwork on the clothes themselves and then deliver it themselves. All you need to do is upload your artwork, set a listing price, they'll print whatever is sold. So if someone actually goes onto the site and say, I want to buy 1 or 2 of this, then Amazon will print 1 or 2 that it has been sold and send it out to them. All you did was upload your artwork. You just get a monthly paycheck. It's pretty streamlined. It's kind of passive because after you upload your artwork, it's just there and you really don't have to do anything else. The 11th way you can make money using Amazon is if you're crafty. Now, if you're crafty and you like to make things by hand, like to crochet, for example, you can sell your items on Amazon. They have this whole homemade section where you can actually make things by hand, set your prices, and Amazon will fulfill it. There's no hidden fees. You get a custom profile of all of your artwork, and all you really need to do to join is create a Seller Central account, apply to be an artisan, and list your products. Just leverage the program to manage and grow your business. The last but definitely not least way you can make money through Amazon is through Amazon FBA, and that's basically starting to sell on Amazon. Now you're wondering, I already said this before. I told you that businesses who are already established can use Amazon to leverage and sell their products, but you can create your own brand and sell on Amazon. A lot of people have been doing this either through retail arbitrage, where you find cheap items and resell it on Amazon. But people have discovered a way of selling on Amazon that's made many millionaires in this modern day and age. And that is by finding things, to be honest with you, in China, and buying or creating new items that they can sell in bulk and allowing Amazon to fulfill their sales. We buy everything through Amazon. Literally everything. There have been people who buy scrunchies for pennies and then resell it to people like me who will buy it because I need satin scrunchies, who will resell it for maybe like $4 or $5. They're making 1,000% profit. But that doesn't include obviously fees. There's a lot of hidden fees in Amazon FBA, but I think it's definitely worth it. You're leveraging Amazon's platform. As long as you are delivering the products to the Amazon warehouses, they will deliver all of the products to anyone who wants them, who's ordering them. Amazon FBA has really revolutionized the way that we are looking at e-commerce, and it has blown up people's lives financially. It has really revolutionized the way that we think of businesses. You can start a business today. I've heard people starting businesses with as little as $100. I don't know if that's really practical, but also with more, and they're able to scale it a lot faster. I feel like if you are someone who's interested in starting an e-commerce company, really look into Amazon FBA, because that might be the way to go. There are other platforms you can definitely leverage, but the thing about Amazon FBA is that you get to leverage the already established audience that Amazon has. When you are selling something on Amazon and someone's looking for that thing, it automatically gets you a sale. Now, I'm not trying to make it sound so simple, but it's a lot simpler than you probably think it is. If you guys are interested, I would really recommend you guys looking into it a little bit more and starting a financially free future for yourselves and your future generations. I am amazed with Amazon, and this has been an eye-opening experience. I really enjoyed making this video, and I really wanted to get you guys this information because I just want to see everybody win. I want to see everybody succeed, strive for what they want in life, and that's what I really want to focus this channel on, is creating that life that we want to live. I hope you guys found value in this video. If you did, please like this video, subscribe, and hit that bell notification to know exactly when we're posting. Have a wonderful day. Bye.